to find all instances of a VI or a type defined control, I have already opened a previously used project. Let's create another VI and let's place some objects from this project onto the block diagram and let's place some more. Now to find a VI, just right click it and select find all instances, and a dialog box, search result dialog box will open up showing you where the instances of that VI was found. Select it and click go to, and LabVIEW will take you to that particular instance. Or if it's type defined, right click it and then find all instances, and the same dialog box will appear. Select the VI, click go to, and LabVIEW will take you to that particular instance. Also, if you are in a VI hierarchy window, and you right click a VI and select option find all instances, the same dialog box appears behaving the same way. And you can then navigate to a particular instance. If you have a VI open and you right click on its connector pane or its icon and then you select find all instances, the same dialog box again appears. If you have a type def and you have got it opened, then you can also right click and find all instances, and then you can just navigate to particular instance. Further, if you are using Statechart module and you right click the icon in the upper right corner of the Statechart Editor window, the same functionality then appears. And we can also replace some or all instances of the VI or type definitions. We can also find and replace block diagram objects or text in a similar way. Thanks for watching.